Hey there, I'm Hugo from TechCornerTV, and today I have here package, a lot of package to another mailbag. I'm quite excited with this mailbag. Almost all of this is for reviews, and I have here a lot of fun stuff to unpack. So stay tight and let's not waste another moment with chit chat and let's start unpacking. Let me move all of these out of the way. I will start with the small ones to make room. It says screw, so let's open and see. So basically this is a reduction screw with a nut in the middle with a, yeah, this is for camera and tripod mounting. It's just a reinforcement of what we have here, I have here for the studio. I don't know why, but those kind of nuts disappear in a while, so I have always to getting new ones. Well, I have here some stuff for the reviews and tips channel, and also some stuff, very good stuff for the electronics channel. So today it will be mixed. This one, let me show you what I have here. Okay, this is a component tester. Yeah, I decided to make a review of one of these. This is just the cable, micro USB. We have here some test leads, probes, yeah, and yeah, this is almost okay. It's not time to open yet. This is just a review. It's just an unboxing. But yeah, I bought this to test several components, like condensers, resistors, everything else. I will probably do a review on this. It's not probably, it will have its own review, if it works or not. Otherwise, okay, and it has the light on. Okay, this is not good news. I don't know if you can see, but it's blinking, it's not starting. It seems not to be working. The diode. I didn't read the instructions, so let me see if like this it will do something. Ah, okay, it needs to have something in there. Okay, it says it is a diode, 1.87 volts. Let me try something else. Let's see if I turn it. Yeah, it's still tested, and it says what is the direction of the diode, positive to negative. Ah, nice. Okay, let's move on. Whew. And the small ones are done. So let's start with this one. Okay. Let's see what's in the box. Okay, I will not open this one because we will do a complete review on the tips channel. But basically this is a waterproof speaker. Another one. I have here another one to unpack today. It's also for review, and it's from Iwa or Eva, I don't know. Yeah. Okay, that's it. It seems okay. I believe this is 3 watts. It's a little bigger than the, for example, this one from Lenovo. It's the L1. I like very much of this speaker. Yeah, just let's see how it will be. But I have today my desk totally full, very little space, and yeah, let's open this one also. I know this is also a speaker. This one was bought locally. I normally order stuff from eBay or AliExpress, Banggood, Amazon, those kinds of plates, but this one was bought locally. The price was better locally, that it's uncommon, but yeah. So yeah, it's well packed. This is also a speaker. Let me show you. And it's the JBL Go3. I have here for review with the JBL Go2 also. I liked very much of this speaker. They both are waterproof. And yeah, let's see how this one goes. It will be reviewed in the following days. Probably when you see this, it will be already online, the review. And yeah, I was quite impressed with the JBL 2, and I decided to order this one to make a comparison video. There are a lot of online, but yeah, it will be my take on the subject. And yeah, let's first do this one also. It's also for the gadgets channel, reviews and tips. This is the Mi body composition scale. It's a smart scale. I will do also the review of the Huawei smart scale. Okay, it's just a stamp here. Let's see what comes here. How does this work? Okay. Okay, it seems very nice. Yeah, very nice quality. If you don't have a smart scale, I recommend that you buy one. This is a quite useful instrument. Gives you a lot of information and on your health. And yeah, I will do a review of this one and also the Huawei smart scale also. It's a wonderful device, and yeah, I will do a review on both. We are almost in the right now. This is only electronic stuff for test equipment for the electronics channels. Let's open first this one. Oops, let me change this to the top camera. So we have here the Uni-T. It's the UT61E Plus. I already have the 61E. It's a wonderful multimeter. I ordered this one to make a comparison video and a review video of this oscilloscope. The E, it's the most complete unit. It does not have the sensor, temperature sensor, but it's the only thing that it doesn't have. The temperature sensor is only on the D+, and the E+ has a lot of more stuff other than that. Okay, I will open the box only to see what's in it. Yeah, we have here instruction manual, a very nice instruction manual. Not several, English and Chinese. This is a welcome card. yeah, warranty or something like that. We have the normal test probe stuff. We have USB cable with the optical connector to the oscilloscope. We can connect this to the PC. The test lids, 2 batteries, and of course we have here the multimeter. It is somehow bigger than the other one, and yeah, it has place to storage the test lids like this, I believe. I don't know, I will check after. Yeah, it seems very nice. I like this. I love the. We have also a new thing that is a 1/4 inch nut hole for tripod and anything else. Yeah, it's okay. And I'm quite excited with this one. This is the SDS1104 digital oscilloscope, and yeah, let's open and see what we have here. Opa. This is an entry-level oscilloscope. Okay, so we have a CD and a small user manual, the technical features, characteristics of the device. We have an English manual. That's good. What do we have? What else? Okay, we have a European power cord, and let's take this out. It's the normal USB cable. We have here two bags, each bag with 2 probes. Yeah, we'll go take a look in a moment. And let's see this one. Okay, it's a small unit. It's an entry-level oscilloscope, but with 4 channels. And yeah, let's see. Whoa, quite impressed. Very nice. It also, it's an entry level, but it has matte functions, 4 channels. And yeah, I will not test it right now. Let's see only if it, one of the things that we have here, it's for PC connection, USB port. We have the power port here. Okay, the feet have 2 positions, yeah. And this is very clever. It will not allow, yeah, it's clever. Okay, very nice equipment. This might be my new favorite entry-level oscilloscope. Let's see. Yeah, right now it's unlocked again. And about we have here the serial number, the version, the checksum. We can see in here easily the information about each channel. And utility, let's see what we have in configure, display. Yeah, I will have to read it a bit to understand everything, and we will do a review on this one. Very, very, very nice unit. Oh, sorry. And yeah, thank you for Owon sending us this unit for review. It will have a review very shortly on the channel. The mailbag videos are with some delay because there are too many stuff that arrive, and I'm not able to put everything in the same video because it will be too long. So it has a little delays, and because of that delay, probably when you see this mailbag opening, the video about this SDS 1104 will be already online. So take a look, tell me what you think. It will be in Portuguese and English, so you never miss anything. You have two options. Take a look and tell me what you think, and thank you for watching. If you didn't already, please subscribe. Consider subscribing, it will be very important to me. And if you do, don't forget to hit that bell so you can be notified every time I launch a new video. That's it for today. Thank you for watching until the end. Bye.